Darling, it's so good to see you. It's been so long. You guys, I have been having fun just following other people on social media. I had to step away from posting on my own for a while just because life happens and you know how that is. Everybody has one, a story. So I just wanted to come in and connect with you guys and let you know what's going on with RallyGirl. Okay, let me start with what am I getting ready to say? I am totally not editing this, but let me make it fast. Oh, I jumped back on social media. What prompted it is the launch of Instagram TV. You guys, I have been having fun with it. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Don't know if people are seeing the videos. And so I thought I would let you guys know that I do have videos on Instagram TV because I've been playing around. I think I have 4 or 5 videos, maybe more by the time this one drops here. You guys, if you haven't already opted to do so, do me a favor. Follow me on Instagram. When you go to my profile at iamrallygirl, when you go there, you'll see the IGTV circle. Click on that and you'll see all the videos that I've uploaded so far. What I upload there is going to vary from what I do here. Right now, IGTV, it makes it easier for me to connect with people or at least share what I'm doing and hair stuff. And I may even do other things. I mean, sometimes you want to see something other than just hair. And sometimes I want to share more than just hair with y'all. But I have no idea if anybody is seeing the videos because I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, so if you guys could do me a solid, when you're over there, head on over, look at a video or two or all, however you want to do it, but just put a comment to let me know you were there. That way I'll know that my people saw that I had some videos over there, and all that. That would really help me out. I appreciate it. I am still going to be doing YouTube videos. It's just easier to connect on Instagram TV, at least at the moment. It just launched, I think, a couple weeks ago or something. Anyway, I just wanted to jump in there and have a good time with it. Darling, I must address the elephant in the room. The swing time, girl, of this twist out. So, you might have already seen the video that I posted just before this one. If you haven't, head on over. I don't even know if that video will have a thumbnail yet, but head over and check it out. I opted to do Whitney's technique on clipping my ends, the Naptural85, and I'm always trying to layer my hair. Now, I have recorded multiple times me clipping my ends and layering my hair. Can you tell me how many times did I actually upload those videos? Exactly, because each time it was just a hot, confusing mess. Like, I would do the, trim, but it would take me so long because I would be scared on which way I should trim it. And I would, every time, like almost every year, I would check the internet, YouTube primarily, to see if I can find a tutorial on cutting in layers so that my hair looks the way I want it. I didn't want the heart shape. I like the long layers, but I didn't want that, you know what I mean? I just didn't want that at the bottom of my wash and goes. And so anyway, I was doing the long layers and my hair was fine. I mean, I liked the shape of it okay, So half the time I couldn't tell it was there. And when I would do a twist out, you couldn't tell that I had layers in. But now, just the way that it's hanging, you can tell. If you want to see how I got my twist out like this, Instagram TV. It's going to be on Instagram TV. The actual, I wouldn't say tutorial, but the demo of me, using Whitney's technique is on YouTube. Okay, I know I'm sounding all over the place because I can't think straight, and I hear the home shopping. What channel was that? JTV, the jewelry channel. One of my jewelry shows is on right now, and I'm wondering what they're talking about. Although I'm not going to be buying anything, sometimes I just like to see the sparkle, girl. But I mean, when is the last time I did a video showing you the movement of my twist out a few years back? And that movement was generated from the weight of my shea butter mix, and it was on wet hair. This is totally different. It's big. I only used a few twists, and it's just wow. You know, like I'm getting if I sing that one more time. I do that every time I'm wearing some like big hair. But y'all, do y'all think it's big? I think it's big from here. It's big. But yeah. Yeah. And I told you what I was using. Okay. What else? And I want to make this fast. When it comes to me, I'll pop back on. Until the next video, y'all. You know it. Live simply and be kind.